So the Evoque E-Tron, these are the two models. This is the new redesign 2025. This is what we would consider the 2024 model. They're definitely different. They share some components. This is my first time kind of looking at both of them, just so you know, because we just got this one in. And clearly these two bikes are gonna ride very different. So these are big tires. What are these? They're 16s. Holy shoot. And this might even be a 17 on the front. Holy crap, it's a 17. This is the same tire as the front of a Zone in a Streetster. Okay, I can't wait to ride this when it gets a little warmer and the snow is gone. So this is the 2024. This is a bike that's very similar to the Tau Gemini, to the old Emo Proton, tank, front lights, tires, seat, they pretty much are all the same. Clearly two very different bikes, but same category. I like the kickstand better on this one. I can't wait to ride them. Okay, so let's sit on them. Ugh. That's comfortable. This feels like a Emo DX a little bit in terms of like the length of it. So that's me sitting on that one. Here's the 2024. I lean forward more like this, or that one you get a little bit, you know, it's hard to describe. I probably should get better at it. That's why if you come to Ride the Wind e-bikes, we have them in the showroom, you can actually sit on them. I'm just observing them. Because just because it's new doesn't mean it's better or doesn't mean it's made for you. Obviously, I like the tank on this one. This has a storage tank and removable battery. That's like A1. This one also has a removable battery, but it's down here. So pros and cons. Look at the screen on this. That screen is spectacular. That's the old style. That is definitely, I've never seen a screen like that. That's unique, new, and that's what Evoque is known for. Honestly, they just keep coming up with new, innovative designs in the e-bike industry. I don't like the look of the storage, but I like the fact that you can actually put one on. It's pretty nice. It doesn't have any lights on it, but who doesn't want storage? Oh, the suspension is adjustable. That's adjustable suspension. There's your charging port right there. These are adjustable suspension because you can twist this.
You can stiffen up the spring,
but it doesn't shorten it.
No.
So the stiffening is on the bottom on this one. You can stiffen the suspension on the old model, but you can't on this model. This is a nice simple design of the pegs because these break, right? You want to get new ones. These are pretty much out of the way. Nice sleek design. They come, I think, in the carbon as well. Adjustable levers, reverse, no cruise, but reverse. I really like the LED lights. Like, what an upgrade. That's a big deal. But as you can see, they've used the same front headlights. So they've kept some of the components, but they've upgraded. But again, what kind of ride do you want? Do you want something that you're gonna have a little bit more bumps and trail? Then you wanna go for this tire. It's gonna handle better. This is a Zone or Streetster tire. This is gonna catch a little bit more. So kind of off-road, gravel, things like that, go with this one. But if you're doing a lot of city, and I would think just with the longer wheelbase and these tires that you're gonna get a little bit better distance because you have less resistance with bigger tires. I like the seat. Oh, you can adjust these handlebars if you wanna bring them forward or back on this one. The mirrors, that's cheese, man. Like, we could have done a lot better on these mirrors. These are from like an Emo Urban. These are basic. See, I like these mirrors better. It's just the style of it. They've gone with a different but same hydraulic reservoirs. The LED lights make a huge difference. Light up the plates. Reverse on this one too. I like the quality of the plastic is different. It's a little softer than I don't know plastics. I'm not a plastic expert, but I know feel. And the feel of this, it's got a little bit more give to it, and it's matte, but it's not scratchy, right? So it's not going to have a lot of marks to it. I like that they use a softer rubber to keep these closed so that doesn't make as much noise when you're riding. See this again, Evoque, they've put C-type. I think that again is very future thinking. Yeah, see how awkward is it to charge in here? This is your charging port in this model. Very awkward. Not a bad thing, but it's awkward. At least you do have storage on this one. But I'm just seeing if you can charge. No charging port. And those are your differences. There's your side-by-side.